The MX Master from Logitech has been out for about 4 years now. It originally came out in September of 2019. And me, I bought it about 7 years ago, and I wish I bought it sooner because it's definitely one of the best mouses out there for things like coding, editing videos or photos, or even playing Minecraft. I do pair it with my MX keys, which I do want to switch to the MX Mechanical in the future, but I don't think it's a combination that can be beat. In this video, I'm mainly going over the features of the MX Master 3 and why it could be the best mouse for office use. Logitech did come out with the MX Master 3S, which is a little bit better. They have better clicks, a better battery, and it's a little bit lighter by 2 grams. But it didn't grab my attention enough to spend that extra money. First, the build quality. The MX Master 3 is not meant for gaming if that's what you're gonna buy it for, unless you like heavy mice. But this mouse is roughly weighed around 141 grams, which is quite heavy for a mouse. But the heavy weight counts for the actual build quality of this mouse. This mouse is built out of plastic with rubber coating to help grip your hands even better. The 2 scroll wheels are made out of metal, which probably accounts for most of the weight. The MX Master 3 is also on the bigger side at about 84mm width, 51mm in height, and 124mm in length. It's pretty big. So if you have smaller hands, it might not be the mouse for you. On the other side, if you have bigger hands like I do, the ergonomic shape will fit your hand super comfortably. I should also mention that it's not ambidextrous, so a left-handed person might not be able to use it. And now for some technical features, the connectivity. The MX Master 3 is a wireless mouse which is connected via Bluetooth or this unifying USB dongle. Having the Bluetooth connectivity makes it possible to connect up to 3 devices at the same time. I have it set up so I have the dongle plugged into my PC permanently, and on my MacBook I have it connected via Bluetooth. And by using this button on the bottom, I can switch between my PC and my MacBook very easily. If you need to connect to Bluetooth initially, all you have to do is hold down this button, wait for it to blink, and it should be available on Bluetooth. Next, the sensor. The MX Master 3 comes with a tracking sensor of 4000 dpi. dpi means dots per inch, where it basically determines the number of pixels the cursor will move compared to how much your hand moves. So the higher the DPI, the faster the cursor will move and the less you have to move your hand. The mouse has 2 scroll wheels, one of which is fully programmable and the other one is not. They're made of metal with these really tiny notches acting as grip and are really comfortable to scroll. The main middle scroll wheel has 2 modes. Precision scrolling, where it is your typical scrolling with friction and the ratcheting, and the other is frictionless scrolling that feels so smooth, so fast, and it's super satisfying, which I think Logitech calls it meg speed. You can easily switch between the two by clicking this button below the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel by your thumb is the regular scroll wheel with the ratcheting feel. The whole mouse has 6 buttons, all of them are programmable. The 2 main left and right, the middle scroll wheel, and 3 by your thumb, 2 up top and then 1 at the bottom. All 6 of them can be programmed using the Logitech Options Plus software, which we'll talk about more later on in this video. Now let's talk about the battery. After using this for about 7 months, I've only had to charge this thing once. As per the spec sheet, it should last you up to 70 days of use on a full charge, which may vary a little depending on how you use it. And it is rechargeable using USB Type-C. Alright, finally, the software. Logitech Options Plus is available to download on their website, and once paired to your PC or your device, you can map it and customize it any way you want. They have different applications like Adobe Premiere, Photoshop, and more to select and map them for each of those applications, making it basically fully customizable. All your other MX devices also show up on the screen as well, and you can see the battery percentage for those devices. Well, that's all for now. I'm sure there's a ton more features packed into this mouse, but I just wanted to get down the main features. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.